have a very serious question for you. Uggs, cute or ugly? Uggs feel like a very controversial topic amongst the fashion community. I think they have a very bad rep when it comes to fashion and whether or not they can look cute or stylish or trendy or any of the words that we associate with good style. I think their bad reputation comes from style choices made in the early 2000s when Uggs were kind of first coming out. Take Laguna Beach, for example. Denim miniskirts and Uggs, not a good look. I can admit at the time, in the early 2000s when like Laguna Beach was a thing, and Uggs and miniskirts were a thing, I was definitely doing that because I was around the age of 12 and I was highly influenced by like that beach surfer girl style. So I was definitely wearing them that way, which is why I also hold this weird place in my style soul that holds them as ugly and not cute, and they just don't have enough street cred for me to pull them off in a fashiony way. But there's also this part of my heart that holds them as this super comfortable, super warm shoe that I think in my mind I can make look cute. Been influenced by a couple of, don't worry, these are brand new, I haven't worn them outside yet, that's why I'm touching them. Fresh out the box, because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them yet. We're going to decide with this video, you're going to help me. I've recently been influenced by a couple of images, particularly Sarah Gray Matson, which I think on YouTube she's just Sarah Gray. She's a Canadian YouTuber. Chestnut Uggs, like that light brown color like this. And she took some images and they just looked so cute on her, and I want to say that my style is very similar to her, and I just really liked the way that she wore them with like denim cutoffs. I love the way that the shorty ones kind of hit with a denim cutoff. I generally wear cropped denim because I'm really short. So I do like the way that they kind of hit with a shorty Ugg. I think it looks really cute. They remind me very much this black pair of Blundstones, of which I wear all of the time. There's really not a huge difference in these in kind of style-wise. They're very much a round toe, short boot. If you can wrap your head around a Blundstone, I think you might be able to wrap your head around an Ugg. Can we? The other two kind of influences that have been making me warm up to the idea of an Ugg again are Sienna Miller. She always wears little Uggs, and she is one of my style icons. So I typed in Ugg street style, and she was one that came up regularly, wearing it with really cool, like oversized fur coats and denim and a little boot, little Ugg boot, and like she just looks so effortlessly chic, and she's obviously really flipping comfortable, and as I get older all I want to do is just be really comfortable. And then the last image is Rosie Huntington Whiteley or Whitley, I don't really know how to say her last name. She's not really a style icon to me, but she did come up, and this image is iconic to me because it is her with a pair of shorty Uggs on and a dachshund, which is my dream dog. I want a wiener dog so bad. It's literally all I want in life. The intro is over. That was a lot of chatting. If you got through that, good job. We're gonna get to it. I am going to style these in a bunch of different ways, and I'm really excited because it's going to help me out a lot, and they're just so flipping comfortable that I want them to work. I did a poll on Instagram and it was very much a 50-50, but solid 60-40 in the end, leaning towards the Ugg as a yes. So I'm gonna take that and let's get into the video. Let's see if I can make Uggs look cute. Okay, thank you for watching. Let me know if you think I should keep them or send them back. I have probably 60 days left on my 75-day return with Softmock. Pretty decent. I actually ordered these online. They never have them in store for some reason, or like at the Softmock location by me. They're like never available. So I ordered them online, which was way better because I had a discount at Softmock already. I had like a credit. Their credit system is great. They give you a point for every dollar you spend, and then that goes towards credits. So it's like $200 is like a $10 credit, which is really good. Like generally shoes are about a $200 mark most of the time, so your credit can add up really quickly, and they have tons of brands like Doc Marten, Blundstone, UGG, Keds. You can seriously rack the points, and this is not sponsored by Softmock, which I wish it were. But yeah, I got that, and then I had the Honey browser, which I always talk about and was in one of my videos about how to shop online. Having a browser extension, one of the sale extensions like Shop Tagger or Honey, I got $16.50 off as well for some reason. So amazing. These are a little bit cheaper than they would have been normally, especially if I had bought them in store. So that's also making me want to keep them because I got a good deal and I wouldn't have got a deal otherwise. But yeah, let me know if you like Uggs. I don't know. Do you wear Uggs? Are you an Ugg person? Do you think they're ugly? Have the tall ones? Do you like the shorty ones? Do you like the mid Ugg? I do have the Adirondack. I believe that's the style, which is like the hard kind of winter boot one. And I've had them honestly over like, I want to say I've had them for like 10 years now, and they're only just starting to rip where I pull up the boot because half of it is suede and then the other half is like hard waterproof boot situation. And right at that back tab is just starting to kind of wear down, but they're still so warm. It is the best money I've ever spent in my entire life on a winter boot, and they're just a little bit slimmer and like cuter to wear. So I'm definitely going to reinvest money into those once those ones completely die. They're definitely on the out now. It has been about a decade, but like that just goes to show the quality of an UGG boot. They truly are a great boot if you're not killing them. I think Uggs have a bad reputation because a lot of girls used to walk on like the sides and then they'd let them get all gross and salt stained, and like as an adult I think I'm well past that. I have multiple pairs of shoes. I'm a shoe freaking-aholic, and I'm not out to ruin them. Like if it's gross and slushy out, I don't need to wear these because they're not my only boot. I'm obviously going to wear these on like a cool dry day when my feet need some coziness. So with all that, let me know in the comments below. I really don't know. Do I keep them? Do I give them back? Are they trendy? How did I do on the outfits? Would it convince you to wear Uggs again? I don't know. I really don't know. This video is truly to help me out. And to help you out, because I know a lot of people have questioned Uggs in recent years. As I approach 30, have a different perspective on Uggs than I did when I was like 12 to 16. Those are my Ugg wearing days. I mean, I will tell you, I used to dance, and putting an Ugg on after dance class was like, ugh, the best feeling because your feet are so sore. And putting your foot into this cozy little fluffy thing, it's a game changer. Okay, let me know if you liked the video. Hit the like button, subscribe down below, you know the drill. Hit the notification bell and you won't miss an upload. I have a bunch of videos coming for you that I'm really excited about. And yeah, Uggs, yes, no, I don't know, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!